because I can show people more secret hiding places. I got to the workshop again, so I'm going to show you
how to get on your medkit.
No, because I've already showed you them. I just didn't go on it because I didn't have time. Oh, it's you. Can you not get me?
What?
Can you not get me?
Can I just get you?
Well, I'm trying to make a video.
Bye.
Oh,
Bye.
It's so you could get me.
Bye.
Bye. So you go over here. You can get me if you want. I'm just trying to make a video. And then you jump on there. Keep that going. And then you can just jump on one of these. I usually jump here, or I would jump here, or I would jump in here.
Bye.
No, not a lot of new players know about that, so just pay attention if they're new. If it's like a girl, that's if you can they have a I don't really know. No, don't say any names. But I do this first. Guys, I think yeah, I think they were. The next one, you would go over here. Wait, no, don't get me, that's me. Oh, well, can I just do this first? Can I do this first, please? I'm probably going to do like this one or something. And then the last one.